Hey guys, I'm back again with another episode about Outschool. Today I want to talk to you about how to figure out what to teach on Outschool in 5 steps. For those who are on my channel for the first time, hi, I'm Viola and I've been a digital nomad for the past 3 years. I am a travel blogger and I just love going everywhere. I cannot sit still, which is why I prefer to work in a digital space. And that is what I talk to you about on this channel, ways that you can make money online, such as teaching on Outschool. The beauty of Outschool is that you can really do whatever you like. So if you have any passion or talents, be it juggling, be it dog training, be it baking cakes, this is your perfect moment to shine. Outschool just asks that your class is objective, secular, and adheres to their content policies. Beyond that, you can go ham with your creativity. Classes on Outschool are broadly divided into 10 categories, which are then subdivided into smaller categories. And here is a look at what we have. There is arts, coding and tech, English, health and wellness, life skills, math, music, science and nature, social studies, and world languages. Now, on one hand, this is so exciting, but on the other hand, I know that it can be a little bit overwhelming. Choice paralysis is a real thing. Don't worry, I definitely felt a bit like this as well when I first got started. It just takes a little bit of brainstorming and organization to get going. And once that inspiration light bulb goes off, a lot of good ideas will start just flooding in. Your subject really does not have to be a profound topic. There is a huge demand on Outschool from parents who just want some light-hearted class to keep their little ones entertained while they get on their Zoom work meeting in peace. You know what I mean? If you look under the learner's favorite section on Outschool, you will see that one of the most popular classes on Outschool is Now grab a piece of paper and let's get into the 5 steps that you can take to figure out your Outschool class. Step 1, list all the things that you are good at, your expertise. This could actually be what you went to school for, right? It could be finance, psychology, nutrition. This stuff is great because you actually have the credential to back it up. So when parents see that, okay, this teacher has a bachelor's degree in psychology, they trust you a lot more, right? Don't worry right now if you think the topic or subject is boring. We can work on making it fun later. I just want you to write out everything that you are good at. Number 2, make a different list of all your interests and hobbies. So maybe you are obsessed with makeup. Maybe you are a football fan, or maybe you have an unhealthy obsession with Candy Crush. I don't know. So chances are all the fun stuff that you're into, there are a lot of kids who are into it as well. So with these interests, you can either do 2 things with it. You can make a special fan club for that topic, or use it to enhance a topic of your expertise like finance or psychology. Remember that first list that we talked about? Step 3, poke around on the Outschool website and check out some of the other current offerings. See what the other teachers are doing. See if you can do it better. See if you can do something different. Only use other people's classes as inspirations. Do not copy other people's ideas, okay? I say it again, do not copy other people's ideas. I really love browsing what is on offering on Outschool. Some of the listings are just really quirky and fun. I mean, I want to take a class on how dolphin training works. I know I'm not 9 to 12 years old, but can I please get in on this? Like I said, check out other people's ideas only to see if you can add your own creative spin, your personality to it to make it more original and unique. And the 4th thing is my favorite, look through the parents' request list Every Sunday, Outschool sends out an email with a list of classes that parents have recently requested. They're usually super, super long, but I always look through it all. Just some of these ideas that parents have are actually really interesting and really fun. So you know that there's literally demand for these classes. It's a great place to research and assess what you can supply. I was looking through the email list recently and I saw that a lot of parents have requested Black Lives Matter and Black history for little kids. It was really, really heartwarming to see. And the last step is to gather all the research that you made and finally come up with your final choice of the things that you want to offer. So in this step, you want to be more logistical in your consideration about this potential class. So for example, if you want to teach a Thai cooking class, think about what ingredients you need, what equipment, what supplies you need, and if it's realistic for you to offer with all the costs and expenses, and how many students, how much do you need to charge to break even. And congratulations, now you figured out your class, yay! So let's review the 5 steps. First, list all of your expertise and things that you are good at. Second, list your hobbies and things that you are interested in. 3, take a look at all the current offering that's currently on the website. 4 is to look through the parents' request list. And 5 is to consider all the logistical parts of offering your class. So currently I'm teaching a Disney themed dance class for kids who are 5 to 8 years old. So I came up with this idea because, you know, I love dance, I have experience in dance, and I know that kids love Disney and I love Disney as well. So I thought it would be really cool to put those ideas together, and for sure, definitely it was a hit. And I love this because for someone who is just starting out trying to build up a reputation, I don't need anything except a space to dance in. I don't need to invest in any equipment or supplies. So there is no starting cost for me, which is perfect. So I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And I will be making more videos about Outschool tips very soon. And let me know what are some cool Outschool classes that you've come up with in the comments below. I would love to hear your original ideas. All right, guys, see you again next time. Bye.